How do I register? First of all, you can go to join.gmillennial.com. This is our page. As you scroll down, you can select our programs: Membership, MUN, Wonder Voice, ISS, Be Global, and CV Review. At the right side, you can select your currency, Indonesian Rupiah or USD. Before anything, you need to make an account. You can either log in if you have an account already, or you need to register by putting your username, email address, and also password. As I already have my own account, I'm inputting my username and also password here. I click Remember Me and I log in. This is my account and you can see the dashboard, orders, and account detail. And you can also go back to the front page. Now let's try to register to one of our programs. You can also click on the arrow to see all the programs that are available. Next, you can click on My Account at the top right and click on Card to see all the things that you have registered. If you have a reference code, you can put it there under the coupon section and then you can click Apply Coupon. But now, let's proceed to checkout. After you proceed to check out, you have to fill in your personal details: first name, last name, country, phone number, and also email address. Special for GMN registrants, you have to input your preferred country and preferred council, and you can also click on the link under it to find out more about them. Once you have filled in everything, make sure that all the details are right and then you can place the order. And now let's proceed to the payment. Here, we offer you several ways to pay. First, it's by credit or debit card. You can just insert your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Second, it's ATM or bank transfer. And last one, it's via GoPay or other e-wallet, such as OVO and Dana. Lastly, you can click the profile under My Account and Orders to see all the orders that you have made. There you can pay, view, or even cancel that.